You attacked. Once again. You struck first, believing you were eliminating a threat. But you didn't strike a missile, nor a program. You struck a nation standing tall. You struck Iran. And you thought there would be no response. For decades, you've struck the weak, the voiceless. You destroy homes in the night. You kill children in their sleep. You tear mothers from their sons beneath falling bombs. In Gaza, in the West Bank, in every village under siege, the sky has become an enemy, and humanity a complicit silence. But this time, the silence was broken. When Tel Aviv trembled, when the sirens screamed, the world watched and did not cry out. It remembered. It remembered the children of Gaza, never rescued, the families buried in cement and dust, the prayers drowned out by the roar of the strikes. And in the hearts of broken peoples, a strange feeling rose, not joy, but relief. Because finally, those who strike without ever being struck tasted what they believed was reserved for others. You wanted to punish Iran because it made you afraid, because it refused to bow to you, because it stood with those you crush. So you targeted it, believing you would break its resolve. But you awakened something you do not understand. You awakened dignity. You awakened faith. Because God does not always answer with lightning from the sky. He sends men. And those men are ready. They move forward calmly, with certainty, carrying on their shoulders the justice the world forgot. It is not just Iran answering you today. It is the sum of all your crimes, of all your buried massacres, of all your glaring hypocrisies. It is the answer of those you thought were crushed forever. And you may scream, lie, and threaten, but deep down you know the world has changed. The age of your impunity is ending. Because no matter how powerful you are, you will never be more powerful than the one who sees all. And when he decides that enough is enough, no army, no wall, no ally will protect you. Tremble, not before the drones, but before the truth that returns. It no longer fears you. It no longer seeks your approval. What you have triggered today is not a war. It is the return of the just. And he does not come alone. He comes with the weight of every pain you ignored. He comes with the force of God, the force that erases when the world has closed its eyes for far too long.